go. Got to give him the white flag indicating we'll get the green next time around. I know, Lonnie's in there.
Coming out of it.
Yeah. And that figure 8 racer, Crazy Lady. I wanted to sing Pinball Wizard, I did, you know. You were a pinball, yes you were, I agree. There's our one Crazy Lady right there. Yeah, there she is. Wave to him, Stephanie. She's watching Lonnie York now drive her car. We are just about ready to turn them loose. In our boat figure 8, here we go. Green flag is out. Well, Mike Young taking a shortcut. Oh, look out! Oh! Kind of a nice touch. There is a little bit of water in the intersection. Anyway, Kevin Sapinski in the four-banger. Here. Here, look, we're trying to reel it in. Lonnie York at 34. Greg 185, Mike Young at 44. Josh and Peterman in the 37. Kevin Sapinski, your leader. Look out! Oh, look out! Look out! Sapinski in the 53, continue to lead the way. Neil Buckley trying to reel it in. Lonnie York also battling. Look out, Lonnie! Thought he was going to be able to handle. Up front, it is Kevin Sapinski, your leader. Look out! Look out! Kevin Sapinski in the 53. Neil Buckley trying to reel it in. Look out! Kevin Sapinski. Oh, look out, our leader! There goes the kayak, maybe new. Look out! Kevin Sapinski, you're It's still on, it's still on! Get it! Greg Hunter still got that boat on. It's Eagle. Boat is still hanging on. Look out! Kevin Sapinski still running it. Look up, you're trying to reel it in. Kevin Sapinski leading the way. Over to Buckley. Look out! Kevin Sapinski down to 53, all by himself. Well, very much of the reason to tire, but look out! Look out! Check your flag waving! Alex Sapinski picking up that victory. How about a nice round of applause for all our boat captains, huh? Yeah, that was very entertaining. And the driver of the 37, Justin Peterman, is A-OK. That was really yours. That's sad.